Gotta love it when you pull up to wash a house and your competition is here as well. But I got the job, so oh well. In all fairness, that was a window cleaning company that also does pressure washing. They don't do large projects. In fact, when they get large projects, they call me. They may call others, but they also call me. We are here in Cincinnati to wash this beautiful patio area and all of this concrete here around the pool. This is, in fact, one of 4 opportunities that we have on the day, 3 of which are mainly concrete cleaning jobs. So we're going to make this a concrete cleaning day. Don't go anywhere. Hey, real quickly, if you enjoy pressure washing related videos like I do, then be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, the bell tab, and leave a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. So while Squirt is washing the concrete around the pool, I'm going to take care of this patio area and then those 2 retaining walls that were around the pool. Just doing a good hard rinse on this. We're also washing these retaining walls. This will be their freebie. My hose, which is 200 feet, would not stretch all the way. So I've got a shooter tip on here, just applying maybe a 3%, something like that. Going to clean these up real good, and then also the diving board. All right, we are all wrapped up on opportunity number 1. You can see the retainer walls came out very, very nice. Michaela did an amazing job on the pool. We went ahead and washed these walking stones, whatever, walking path, plus this retaining wall at no additional cost. Michaela surface cleaned the patio, and she's getting things all wrapped up now. All right, we'll see you on the next one. All right, here we are at opportunity number 2 of 4 on the day. Squirt is working on the front driveway, the porch area, and all of that. And I'm going to focus my efforts on washing this deck and all this pool area right here. Now, I wash for this customer every single year and have for the last 5 or 6 years. Wonderful, wonderful people. Just as I pulled in, the pool cleaner showed up, told me he would come back after I'm done, and that works out great because now I don't have to be so careful not to get anything into the pool. This should be an easy job. And since the pool guy will be coming after me, I can push all this debris into the pool advantage fresh. She's doing a great job. She's done with the front. I'm done with the deck, and we're going to finish this, and we'll call this a finished product, and off to the next one. Okay, here we are at opportunity number 3 of 4 on the day. We washed the entire home. Now I'm washing the concrete. I've made my way right there. Squirt is in the back, washing the pool. I want to talk about this brown siding here in just a moment. Don't go anywhere. So she is over there rinsing. She did a great job with the pool. This is a newer home. I want to encourage you, if you are going to wash this brown or the red siding or the dark blue siding, do so with caution. So if you are not careful, flash oxidation will occur. I would encourage you to never use surfactant when you're washing these dark colors like this, especially on these newer homes. This home is 4 years old. This southern side and the western side where Squirt is at, the first thing I did was I washed it like we do the mistants. You can go back in my videos. In fact, I'll leave a link in the description on how to wash a home with oxidized siding that you're not removing the oxidation, just cleaning it. So the first thing I did was wet this down greatly. Now it's only about 60 degrees, so that's at our benefit. Put the SH on after wetting it and immediately rinse it, and rinse it well, but not up close. And it came out great. I've seen these homes have a chalky white substance all over it afterwards. And let me tell you, the homeowner's not gonna be happy, and you may be scrubbing this siding. So wet it down very, very good, and then apply your SH at a minimal rate, and then rinse it very, very quickly. I'm confident the homeowner will be very happy. All right, we are all done, wrapped up on this job. Squirt is getting things completely wrapped up as we speak, and I'm going to get paid. I won't be showing you opportunity number 4 because we're going to do a separate video that we're calling People Over Profits. It's part of our People Over Profits program, or at least a philosophy that we have. And this will be a free job that we're doing for someone in the community. In fact, it will probably be the next video, the video after this one. If you enjoy pressure washing related videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab. You and I will get to spend lots of time together. And be sure to leave a comment. All of that serves to help the channel. And as you know, the channel needs all the help that it can get. My name is Mike. I am the Fresh Rinse, and we are out.